Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2601 code, don't ignore it. This code is related to the Coolant Pump Control Circuit, which is important for maintaining proper engine temperature. What does P2601 mean? P2601 stands for Coolant Pump Control Circuit Range Performance. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the coolant pump is not operating within its expected range or performance. Depending on the vehicle, this may be an electric coolant pump used for engine cooling, turbocharger cooling, or other cooling functions. The ECU monitors the pump's electrical operation and performance. If the pump does not respond correctly, the ECU can store the P2601 trouble code. Common symptoms you may notice: check engine light on, engine temperature running higher than normal, overheating, poor air conditioning performance in some vehicles, cooling fan running frequently, reduced engine performance, and sometimes limp mode. If the coolant pump completely fails, continued driving can cause serious engine overheating. Component location. The coolant pump is usually located in the engine compartment and connected to the engine's cooling system. The exact location depends on the vehicle. It may be mounted near the engine, radiator, thermostat housing, or turbocharger cooling circuit. The pump is connected to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness. Common causes. The most common causes of P2601 include faulty electric coolant pump, damaged wiring, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, low battery voltage, blown fuse, faulty relay, restricted coolant flow, low coolant level, or ECU problems. In rare cases, a failing coolant pump or electrical connection problem is one of the first things to check. Quick diagnosis. First, scan for additional cooling system trouble codes. Check the coolant level and inspect for leaks. Inspect the pump wiring and connector for damage or corrosion. Check the related fuse and relay. Use a multimeter to verify power and ground at the pump. If your scan tool supports active tests, command the coolant pump on and verify that it operates correctly. Also check the engine temperature during operation. How to fix P2601. Repair damaged wiring, clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace a blown fuse if the underlying cause has been corrected. Repair or replace a faulty relay. Replace the coolant pump if testing confirms failure. Repair coolant leaks or restrictions. Clear the trouble code. Then run the engine and verify that coolant temperature remains within the normal range. Final result. Fixing P2601 will restore proper coolant pump operation, maintain correct engine temperature, prevent overheating, and help protect the engine from serious damage. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.